This is our new screenwriter. He's promising. Take a look, Mr. Director.
Promising, huh? Uh-huh. Huh? Oh, my feta, huh? Oh. This is genius. This is exactly what I needed. We're filming that immediately. Ooh, I'm going to be famous.
Scene 1, take 1. Action. This story happened a pretty long time ago, when the thing had just been born. It's time to go to bed, Rugrat. Your beloved mommy is already here. She was just about to sing a lullaby when suddenly, there, sweet baby, don't cry. Mommy knows how to calm you down. Here's a warm bottle of baby formula. Tasty yum yum.
Now that's what I call a working life hack. If you're hungry, go like this.
Hey, that's not in the script.
I'm improvising. Go on, Sue.
Baby thing ate well, and his mood immediately improved. But you do remember what little babies do after having a bottle? You're making noise again. Hush, or you'll wake up the whole neighborhood. Someone needs a diaper change. Oops, Mommy, we have a serious problem here. Okay, don't panic. I know a perfectly good specialist.
Dr. Sam is here. Whoa, to the clinic, stat. I'll meet you there.
Here's the ambulance. Go!
Hello. Dr. Sam will see you soon. But now, let's fill out the paperwork.
And I'm gonna prepare everything necessary for the treatment of our patient.
What is this, a vitamin drip? Good, very good. But we need more wipes.
Oh, we've got plenty in stock.
Whoa, ha! I meant wet wipes. How rude, Susan.
Well, we figured out this stage. Let's move on to coloring.
Hold it, get some brighter colors. It's a children's channel after all.
Ooh, that's right. Well, let's get started. Now we need a neat cut. And let's move to the hospital room. What? Where is it? Nurse!
I'm here. Stop yelling. I work as fast as I can.
Oh, I can already hear the footsteps. We'd better speed up. This goes here, and we're done. Please, go ahead and don't worry about anything. The doctor will see you now.
Well, hello, baby thing. The good doctor will cure your boo-boo.
Here we go. First, we need to treat the sore spot. And now you have to be a little patient. It's a pain reliever. Calm down, Mommy. Don't scare the baby. A little bit more. Great. Now all your pimples will disappear before our eyes.
Oh, let me see. Huh? Sue, you missed one pimple. Ouch! What are you doing?
Oh, sorry, Sammy. I confused you with the baby's, lower back. Just a little bit left. We're almost done. We need baby cream.
It's on its way. Give me just a few seconds. Shell from the beach, a phoenix feather, some mermaid scales. And here is my... Ow! Brr. This is my cream. Special recipe.
Are you sure about this? Oh, ew! We better take the good old baby cream. We'll need just a little bit of it. Approximately this much. You should take home the rest. Apply it in the mornings and evenings. And everything will be just wonderful. Well, how are you now, baby? Super!
Such a great boy deserves a lollipop. My favorite, though.
Heh, sweet tooth nurse. Here, this is for you. And don't get sick anymore.
And scene! This is amazing! Fabulous! Thank you! You are a talent! And I am such a great talent! Oh, hello? Thank you. Yes, I got it. Sue!
What? What's the matter?
Sue! Slimeflix is ready to buy our movie, but only if we make it a sequel.
Oh, well, in that case, don't go anywhere, friends. In order to film the continuation of our story, we need more actors. Let's make them bright. Mommy Thing has a lovely shade of lipstick. I've been looking for one like this for a long time. And Daddy Thing will have a remarkable mustache. As I get it, it's in trend now.
Huh? Oh, that's about right.
So now all this needs to be cut out. What? Ah! The girls decided to help us! Wait a minute. Enid can handle it on her own, and I could use you for something else. Okay, just a little bit more. I think She looks just like you.
Dr. Wednesday? I have never heard about her. I only work with Dr. Sam. Ugh.
Improvise, Sammy. You are a talent. Well, where are the actors? Oh, thanks for the help, Enid. 1, 2, and 3. We're all set. Give us a thumbs up, friends. We're getting started.
An unknown virus has been found in Thing City. A particularly vulnerable category of the population is the hands. That is, the palms.
Oh, no, something's wrong. That's why I always wash my hands thoroughly. Oh, Mommy, and you too. Even the baby got sick? Awful. We need to go to the hospital urgently.
ER? Yeah, we'll be waiting. Disinfection is needed here. I'm not leaving a single bacteria or virus.
In the meantime, the Thing family is already in the ward and ready for treatment. The Red Cross case contains everything necessary. Dr. Wednesday is ready to go.
Just wash your hands thoroughly first. Better do it twice.
For starters, we will treat the inflammation with an antiseptic. Let's take some cotton. And carefully dab your... well, you get it. Next, please. That's it! Great! So that the baby is not so nervous, we need to distract him.
Oh, my precious... hey! All the best for children, huh?
Look what beautiful candy! Very well. A couple more moves and that's it. This is an anti-pain medicine. Baby is the first. Mommy, you're up next. Great. And finally, we have... Daddy? Oh, where are you going? Stay still. It doesn't hurt that much, does it?
Just a sec for the medicine to kick in and poof!
Yeah, only we'll have this poof a little less grandiose.
What a shame. If only the character would fly away from such a poof. To Mars! And there... oh, this is it. I have an idea for a new movie. Come on, write it down before I forget it.
Uh-oh. Looks like the medicine is wearing off. Hang on a little longer, big guy.
Good thing slimes don't get pimples. Hey, baby, look at me! Friends, support our glorious Thing family with your thumbs ups.
And we're moving on to the last healing stage. Let me apply some baby cream to relieve inflammation. What, is it ticklish? By the way, Mommy, you can also apply it to your face. And last but not least, patient for today. Okay, it's all over now. We cured everyone. Thank you, Dr. Wednesday. I hope now you all remember to wash your hands thoroughly.
This is so touching. And so realistic. Simply brilliant. So great.
And the main prize in the Best Movie Director category goes to... Slick Slime Sam, put your hands together.
What? Me? Is it true? For serious? It's so unexpected. I didn't even prepare a speech in advance. So I would really like to give the hugest thanks to everybody who believed in me.
Excuse me. Hello. Hey, are you sleeping there? How long do we have to wait for our order? 3 large ice creams.
Oh, yes. I'm sorry. Everything will be ready now.
Let's hope someday Sam will become a great director. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this episode and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!